Welcome to Crochet Woven Tales. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Today we are making a practical and unique crochet tote bag that is large enough to fit a laptop, designed with a soft boho touch while still being simple enough for beginners to follow step by step. The construction is structured but easy, and every detail is designed to help you achieve a clean, professional handmade result even if this is your first large bag project. Before we start, here are the materials used in this project. We use Italian cotton yarn, 100 grams in black and 400 grams in beige. We use a 3mm crochet hook, scissors, and a tapestry needle for finishing and joining. These materials give a strong structure, clean stitches, and a durable result suitable for a tote bag that carries weight. We start with the foundation chain using beige cotton yarn. The most important detail in this project is that the number of chains does not matter. What matters is the actual length of the chain. We are working in vertical rounds, not horizontal rows, so the chain forms the base around which the structure will grow. The final width of the bag is approximately 35 centimeters, so we create a foundation chain of 70 centimeters. Always measure the chain while it is relaxed, not stretched, to avoid size differences later. Once the chain is ready, we begin by making 2 chain stitches. Then we work 1 double crochet in each stitch across the entire chain. We insert the hook into the back bump of the chain to create a cleaner and stronger foundation edge. This detail helps the base look more professional and prevents gaps along the bottom edge. For the second round, we turn the work without making any chains before turning. We then work 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 1 double crochet in every stitch across. It is important to keep the tension consistent so both sides remain straight and even. From round 3 to round 8, we simply repeat the second round. We turn the work, then work 1 double crochet in every stitch across each time. We continue this repetition until we complete a total of 8 rounds. At the end of the 8th round, we make 1. Next, we create the second panel. This piece must be identical to the first panel in every detail, including length, stitch count, and tension. We repeat the exact same process from the foundation chain through to 8 rounds of double crochet. After that, we create the third panel, which forms the base structure of the bag. This piece has the same length as the side panels, but it is worked for 12 rounds instead of 8. This extra height gives the bag strength and structure so it can hold weight like a laptop without losing its shape. Now we move to the straps. We use black cotton yarn to create a strong contrast that highlights the boho design. We start by calculating the total chain length. We combine the bag panel length of 70 centimeters with the strap length of 55 centimeters, giving a total chain length of 125 centimeters. We begin the first round by working 1 double crochet in every stitch across the entire chain. For the second round, we turn the work and repeat 1 double crochet in every stitch across. It is important to keep both edges straight and avoid twisting the strap so it lays flat when finished. After completing the base of the strap, we close the last stitch using beige yarn. We then turn the work and work one single crochet in every stitch across. This step strengthens the edges and creates a clean finish. For the shaping round, we turn the work and skip 2 stitches. Then we work 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, followed by 2 double crochet back into the skipped stitches. We repeat this pattern across the row. This creates a textured and slightly wavy structure that enhances the boho handmade look of the strap. After finishing the shaping row, we work one full round of single crochet across all stitches to stabilize the structure. Then we work with the black yarn again. Make double crochet in each stitch across. Then repeat the same round one more time. Now the strap is finished. Look how beautiful and unique it is, and simple and easy to make at the same time. Then we repeat the same entire process to create a second strap, making sure it is identical in length, stitch count, and tension. Before assembling the bag, we refine all 3 panels. We work single crochet around the top edges and bottom edges of each panel. This step is very important because it helps straighten the edges, refine the shape, and prepare clean lines for joining. While working, we also hold yarn tails and hide them inside the stitches to avoid finishing loose ends later. Now we begin assembly. We place all panels and straps in position and use stitch markers to secure them before sewing. This ensures everything stays aligned and symmetrical during joining. We place the pieces back to back, then use a tapestry needle to join them. We work in the back loops only to create an invisible and clean seam. We start by joining the side panels and straps, then continue joining all remaining edges using the same method. Consistency in stitch spacing is important here to ensure a strong and even structure. We then make sure the straps are also securely joined using the same tapestry needle technique. Every seam should be checked for strength and alignment so the bag maintains its shape when used. This is your finished crochet tote bag. It is a practical, extra-large design that fits a laptop, built with a simple structure that is beginner-friendly, yet finished with a modern boho handmade aesthetic. It combines functionality with style, making it suitable for daily use while still looking unique and handcrafted. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to Crochet Woven Tales and turn on notifications so you do not miss new crochet designs, step-by-step tutorials, and beginner-friendly patterns. You can find another tutorials in my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!